Welcome back to our MATLAB for Students series. In this episode, we're diving into the MATLAB development environment. You'll learn how to navigate the interface, use the command window, manage files, and get comfortable working with scripts. Let's get started. When you launch MATLAB, you'll land on the Home tab. At the top, you'll see the toolbar. This is where you can open scripts, run code, manage files, and access add-ons. It's like your dashboard for everything MATLAB. Below the toolbar, you'll notice the layout includes several key panels: the current folder, the command window, the workspace, and the editor. These are the tools you'll use every time you write, test, and organize your code. Let's start with the command window. This is where you can execute individual commands immediately. For example, try typing 3 plus 4 and press Enter. MATLAB returns the result instantly. It's perfect for testing quick calculations or defining a variable like radius equals 5. Now, check out the Workspace panel. This shows all active variables in your current session. You can see their names, values, and types. Double-click any variable to view it in a spreadsheet-style editor. This is useful when working with matrices or large datasets. Next up is the editor. This is where you write and save your code. Click New Script to begin. Unlike the command window, the editor allows you to build multi-line programs. You'll also see syntax highlighting, error indicators, and auto-formatting tools to help you write clean, efficient code. The current folder panel shows your working directory. Any file you want to run must be located here or in a known path. You can change folders using the cd command or by navigating the sidebar. Always make sure your script is saved in the right location to avoid errors. You can also customize your layout. Use the Layout button on the Home tab to hide or show panels. If you're working with limited screen space, consider using the Dock and Undock options to reorganize your view. To wrap up, understanding the development environment is the first step to writing great code in MATLAB. The more familiar you become with these panels and tools, the smoother your workflow will be. In the next episode, we'll dive into writing your first full MATLAB program. We'll cover structure, logic, and best practices so you can start building real projects. Don't forget to subscribe and follow the series for more lessons.